This is a review of the Pixel Dueling Lightsaber that I would definitely recommend from Custom Saber. And we're going to open this up, unbox this, and show you guys how it is, and pretty much review this and show you guys the functionality and pretty much how you set it up and all the different color effects. And it does have over 39 color effects and 12 different color RGB different effects. And also there's another feature it has too, which is sound effects as well too. So we're going to go see on that. But without going further, we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get from this package. So right from the package, we unboxed and opened it. From here, you see the instruction manual, which is the product instructions. Right here, we get a pretty much an Allen head key that you have to use to adjust it. Also a pair of screws to pretty much take the blade out and off and on, and also for the charger as well too, which I'll show you guys in a second. Right here you get a metal handle, which I'll open this and show you guys what it is. Pretty much the lightsaber itself, that's metal and good quality. Right here you see the blade itself, that I'll take that out as well too. So we're going to take that out and show you guys on how those two stuff look. So right here from itself, the lightsaber is very beautiful. You can see here the metal quality. It's, you know, actual true metal. And I see that the quality is very nice and it looks very phenomenal. Here you see is the blade. You take this plastic piece out and pop this out. And then right here, you pretty much put the lightsaber and the blade in together. So this goes into there. There's a screw that it comes with from right here. You attach that to that screw with the Allen head key and you twist it and tighten up. This also, the important thing is that the charger, which I'll show you guys in a second, you take this Allen head key off and unscrew this to charge it up, which I'll show you guys in a second. So pretty much use this Allen head key and unscrew this for the charging mode. It require a 5V1A charger, and you shouldn't use any other charger. It comes in the instructions. It tells you guys that it's important to use that, because if like for example, if you use something else, then you could void the warranty and also the product could get damaged. So make sure that you use a 5V1A charger on that. But yeah, we're gonna pretty much put the blade in together and I'll show you guys about the charger problem. So right from here, you take this Allen head key, use this, and pretty much you twist and turn this up like this. And pretty much for that to tighten up the blade. So while you do the dueling and you pretty much play with it and have fun with it, this piece doesn't fall off. Because if you don't do that, this thing will come off. So that screw is intended for that. So pretty much you tighten this blade up with that small screwdriver and that should tighten up. And you pretty much twist it all the way around when it's nice and sturdy. Right here, you do the same thing to charge it up. You need a 5V1A charger, and you untwist and take this off to take this piece out. So right from here to charge it, to pretty much charge it up, you pretty much get this Allen head key, you twist this all the way out, and this thing should come out. And right from here, you twist it counterclockwise, like the left way, and pretty much this should turn off, it will come out. And this right here is the 5V1A charger, which is sold separately, that you need this to pretty much charge it up. It comes with the USB port. It does come with this with the box inside, and you use this pretty much to charge up the lightsaber itself. It needs about 3 hours to charge before you use it. So I'm going to show you guys when you take this off and put that on, and then see how you charge it up. So right from here, you untwist it counterclockwise, left. You do it left like how I'm doing it, and it should come out and pop out. So pretty much when you unattach it, you take that thing off, then you attach the USB port, and from there, you get the USB 5V1A charger. You attach it right here, and you plug it to the outlet, wait for 3 hours to charge, and when it's ready, it will be fully green. So right from here, you can see I've powered up to my 5V1A charger to the USB ports that comes provided, and it comes with it. And you can see here that it's charging up, and it's pretty much you have to wait, and when it's ready, it will pop up it will indicate a green indicator of green, and that means that it's ready to use and it's ready to function. You're pretty much ready to go and have fun with it. And from there, that's how I want to show you guys that's how you charge it. It's really simple. You have to pretty much take this off, but it does last. The lightsaber itself, it lasts about pretty much like 4 hours, so it does have plenty of life to to have fun and play with it. So once you charge it up, you're ready to go. So pretty much you hold this button right here. This button holds right here, so you just hold it like this, like how I'm doing.
Power on.
So it's power on, and right from there, when I press it again, it's gonna turn on. And you can see here that it's in a beautiful blue color right here that you can see here. And as I'm moving around, it has the different effects from Star Wars, and it moves around like a real replica lightsaber. And the quality of this is really nice. It's high quality. I am really truly amazed with this product. Like, it exceeded my expectations, and as you move around, you can see that it has a cool sound effects. I'm gonna see if I could turn the lights off to show you how cool it is. But when you hold this button right here, you just hold it like this, and I move it counterclockwise. That makes it to change. You could change the colors to different color effects. And so when I do that, so for example, if you just click this, it could do this, meaning pretty much like you're striking, somebody. And then when I hold this like this, you could change the colors to green. And I'm gonna turn the lights off to show you guys how good the quality is. So right from here we are inside in a different location where I can show you guys how good it illuminates, and it looks really nice. So when I do this, so different striking effects, like I mentioned, it has 12 different RGB color effects, and this is the pixel version, and it pretty much has different voice commands as well too, so it can also talk as well too, like different Star Wars themes. So when I do this, like you move it counterclockwise, it changes to white. When I do this, it changes to green. You keep on moving it up as you go like that, and you could change it to white. You could change to a yellow effect as well too, which is pretty cool. Then you could also change it to a lime color effect, which in the camera it looks different, but it's like a yellowish orangish color. Then you move it to here, you get a different color effect as well too. Like I mentioned, over 12 different color effects. This is a beautiful white illumination color right here. And then right from here you get green. This is the blue effects, pretty much the Anakin Skywalker blue version of it. This is I do want to say that this is the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber, so it has the blue version as well too. So, and right from here, you get a pink color as well too. And then when I keep moving it, you get the beautiful red color, pretty much like Darth Vader, and it looks really outstanding and amazing. The quality is really phenomenal, and the lightsaber itself, it feels very durable, and it feels a good heavy, like it feels a little bit heavy, and but that gives a good, like I can see the product is definitely high quality. And right here, I'm gonna show you guys the different voice command features it has. It also has like music features, and also like from the movies, you hear about the voices that the actors that they speak. It has different like cool, pretty much they talk into the lightsaber. So I'll be showing you guys that too. But pretty much 12 different color RGB effects. As you move it around, you could just, it looks really cool when you go play it within the dark. If you hit something, pretty much it does this. So if I'm hitting it, it strikes it down like that. Or if you're doing this, if I'm doing this, it does that. So this is really cool, and I mean, I got no words to mention about how cool this pixel lightsaber is. Really outstanding. The quality is really super amazing. Like, it is really fun to play with. You can see in this video that I'm having so much amount of fun. It's really fun. This is definitely a very fun product, and different color effects, like I show you guys right here. Blue is one of my favorites, and red is also my favorite. As well as two is probably green, but it's really fun to play with when you move it around. And I'm gonna be showing you guys the pretty much the voice command feature it has. Like the lightsaber itself could pretty much talk, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that. So right from here, you can see that it's 39 different sound effects from Star Wars, and it does pretty much all different types of sound effects. So I'm gonna move it counterclockwise to pretty much change the different sets of sound effects. Okay, that's blue right there. So then when we close it up, pretty much
38.
My powers have doubled since the last time we met, Count.
you have to pretty much play with it to pretty much make it work. So that's that sound right there. Then that's that sound that you heard about right now. Then we're gonna keep on twisting it counterclockwise and keep on showing you guys the effects. So pretty much like you see it orange. Let's turn it off for 1 second right there.
37.
Show me the power within you.
Pretty much a lot of different, like there's too much settings in this thing. This is probably one of the best.
Take it out, Corporal. We'll cut.
35.
It is obvious that this contest cannot be decided.
30. 33.
You got yourself now.
32. 31.
You never fought any.
30. 29.
Your move.
28.
Are you a Jedi?
Close it up right now. Right.
20. 26.
You will take.
So there's
25.
You will be it.
so there's a lot of
24.
These are Jedi.
so
20. 22. 21.
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
so let's keep moving it.
20.
Let's keep on going in.
19.
The Force is calling to you.
18.
So you can see there's about, like I mentioned, 39 different sound effects, and it really is a high quality item. I would definitely recommend this. You can see how beautiful this saber is as you move. Pretty much, if I hit the ground like right here, you can see that it hits it as you go. It really is a high quality lightsaber from Pixel. I would definitely recommend them. Let's keep on moving it. Hold on for a second. Right, let's go close it up for a second. Let's close. So that's right.
17.
So that's a lot of different color effects. I would definitely recommend this lightsaber if you are a true, pretty much a Star Wars fan. The Pixel version and the RGB version are both good in their own ways. This is the Pixel version, and I would highly recommend the Pixel version if you are wanting pretty much a dual lightsaber. This is probably one of the best high quality lightsabers from Custom Sabers, and they really do make high quality products. I would highly recommend Custom Sabers.